Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of 3 top WordPress hosting providers: Bluehost, Inmotion Hosting, and Liquid Web. Selecting the right host is crucial for your website's performance, security, and scalability. Let's explore each option, including their pricing and key features, to help you make an informed decision. Bluehost is a popular choice, especially for those new to WordPress. It offers a user-friendly experience with seamless integration. Key features include free domain, receive a free domain for the first year, SSL certificate, complimentary SSL to ensure your site is secure, 24/7 support, access to customer support around the clock. Pricing for Bluehost's WordPress hosting starts at $2.95 per month for the basic plan, which includes hosting for one website and 50 GB of SSD storage. The Plus and Choice Plus plans, offering unlimited websites and storage, start at $3.95 per month. These promotional prices apply to the initial term and renew at regular rates. Inmotion Hosting is known for its performance and robust features, catering to both beginners and advanced users. Highlights include high-speed performance, utilizes SSD storage for faster load times, free domain and SSL, complimentary domain registration and SSL certificates, unlimited bandwidth, handle varying traffic levels without additional costs. Inmotion's WordPress hosting plans start at $4.99 per month for the WP1000s plan, suitable for small blogs or business websites. The WP2000s plan, ideal for growing sites, is priced at $8.99 per month. Higher-tier plans offer more resources and support for additional websites. These rates are promotional for the initial term and renew at standard pricing. For discounts, the links for Bluehost, Inmotion and Liquid Web are in the description of this video. Liquid Web specializes in managed WordPress hosting, providing a hands-off experience with premium support. Features include managed services, automatic updates, backups and security enhancements, high performance, optimized servers for superior speed and reliability, expert support, 24/7 access to WordPress experts. Liquid Web's managed WordPress hosting plans start at $5.25 per month for the Spark plan, which supports one website with 15 GB of SSD storage. The Maker plan, supporting up to 5 sites, is priced at $79 per month. These plans include features like automatic daily backups and free SSL certificates. Which one should you choose? Bluehost, ideal for beginners seeking an affordable, user-friendly option with essential features. Inmotion Hosting, suitable for those who need enhanced performance and scalability at a reasonable price. Liquid Web, best for users requiring a fully managed hosting environment with premium support and top-tier performance. To assist you further, I've included links to each provider in the description below, where you can find more details and special discounts. If you found this comparison helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more insights and tips on your WordPress journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.